welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my very soft and very moist banana muffins with chocolate chips. I know banana and chocolate chips goes very well together, so I thought about showing you guys how I do it. If you guys are not really a fan of chocolate, you can always replace it with some nuts. If you guys are also not fond of those and just want everything plain, then you can just make a really plain banana muffin, which is also very delicious. One reason why I am sharing this, guys, to you is because I noticed most of our mothers out there, or even I myself, are always throwing those overripe bananas, and whenever they have those black or brown spots, we all think that they are super overripe, overly sweet, or we sometimes think they are spoiled already and has to be thrown away. We're actually wrong. We can always scrap them and make a banana muffin instead. Because when you're making a banana muffin, one requirement is to use an overripe banana. Alright loves, let's start! Alright loves, so the first thing that we have to do is get our overripe bananas and mash them using a fork. After this, guys, we're just gonna set this aside. In a separate bowl, we're going to cream our 8 tablespoons of softened butter, so make sure this is really soft. And then 2/3 cups of white granulated sugar. One thing that I like about making this banana muffins or banana cupcakes or also the banana bread is that you guys won't have to use an electric mixer. Okay, so we're just gonna mix this all together and let it cream. Alright guys, so once our sugar and cream are all mixed together, we're going to add the eggs one at a time. Alright guys, after this we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and all of our mashed bananas. Just mix them all again together. After this, guys, we're going to use a sieve and sift all the dry ingredients like all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. And then we're gonna mix them all together again. And lastly guys, we're going to fold our chocolate chips in our banana mixture. Alright guys, our banana muffin batter is done. Next, we're going to line our 12-count muffin tins with paper liner cups. Now, I'm going to be using this 1/3 measuring cup to divide the batter evenly. Alright loves, so here we have 10 pieces of banana muffin. So I actually thought it's gonna be 12, but it's not bad, we still have 10. Now we're going to put this in our preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. So this is our finished product. This is kind of bigger earlier, but I let it sit for like an hour bago ko gawin to. So yes, let's open this. And this is what it looks like when it's rested already, you know, when it's not warm anymore. So this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, there's some chocolate chips around, but not a lot. Kasi you wouldn't want it to be, you know, like overly loaded with chocolate chips because you don't want to overpower the banana taste. So yep, that's what it looks like guys. Looks so delicious. Alright loves, goodbye for now. I'm going to share more recipes to you guys in the future, so don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell as well for you to get notified of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys.